Hi guys! Today we are celebrating our first year anniversary of Velo Society PH and we're looking for more upcoming events.
Happy first anniversary, Velo Society PH.
Happy first anniversary, Velo Society PH.
Sometimes you gotta risk it and let the whole world know. Don't wanna be too quiet. I'd rather get real loud. We gonna start a riot.
Una po sa lahat, happy first anniversary sa BSPH, Velo Society Philippines. Nagpapasalamat ang Bigatin Insurance sa pag-invite sa first year anniversary ng grupo and sa pagbibigay ng chance kay Bigatin Insurance para maging car insurance partner.
Let's just see how high we can go. No stopping till we lose all control. Until we feel it down in our soul. Let's get your heartbeat pumping. This is the honest truth. If we get these bodies jumping, we're gonna shake it loose. Let's get a little bit louder. Let's get a
Happy first anniversary, Velo Society PH. God bless.
Velo Society Philippines, happy first anniversary!
Let's just see how high we can go. No stopping till we lose all control. Until we feel it down in our soul. Let's just see how high we can go. No stopping till we lose all control. Until we feel it down in our soul. Let's get a little
For the love lang ng tawag din ng club.
Be respectful with each other.
Kapwa lang po, pakikisama kasi big help din naman yung may group, alam niyo yun. Connections, which is kailangan natin. Of course, lahat naman tayo dito is isa yung gusto is mag-enjoy at saka once in a while, parang ano na natin to, camaraderie.